Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to add VPN extensions to Google Chrome browser. Alright, so let's begin with the video. If you want more privacy and security while browsing the internet, using a VPN or virtual network private is a great option. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once it's open, click on the three dots in the top right corner of the browser. From the menu that appears, select Extensions, and then click on Visit Chrome Web Store. This will take you to the Chrome Web Store where you can search for and install different extensions. In the Chrome Web Store, type VPN or Hola VPN into the search bar. One option you can use is Hola VPN, your website unblocker. Click on this extension from the search results, then click Add to Chrome. Confirm the installation and wait a few seconds for the extension to be added to your browser. Once the installation is complete, open a new tab in Google Chrome. To enable the VPN, click on the puzzle icon at the top right of the browser to view your extensions, then select the Hola VPN extension. A small menu will appear where you can turn on the VPN and choose a country. You'll see a list of available countries, and you can select any one you want, such as Germany. After selecting a country, the VPN will be enabled. You can now browse the internet with your IP address and location masked. And that's it. So that is how you can add VPN extensions to Google Chrome browser. So that's all for this video. Thanks.